record your Google Meet video on a MacBook Air. The easiest way is to when running the Meet, press Command Shift and 5. Command Shift and 5. You will get this option. Now select entire screen, and then in the options it is already chosen, nothing to do, and then click record. Now whatever happens in the Google Meet, everything gets recorded. Suppose you want to see the video that is being recorded. Now you have to stop from here. You can go to this and click stop. This is the video.